In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gift card product in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a polished, ready-to-sell digital gift card that customers can purchase and send to friends and family right from your store. Let's begin inside your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Products, then select Gift Cards. This is a dedicated area for creating and managing gift cards, which behave a little differently from standard products. Gift cards are delivered digitally, so there's no shipping to set up, and they can be redeemed at checkout like store credit. Next, create your gift card product. Click the Add a Gift Card Product button. This opens a new product page designed specifically for gift cards. Think of this as the storefront listing your customers will see. Now it's time to add the details that make your gift card compelling. Start with a clear, friendly title such as Holiday Gift Card or Just for You Gift Card. The title should match the occasion or vibe you're going for, so customers instantly understand what they're buying. In the description, explain how the gift card works and what the recipient can expect. Mention that it's delivered by email, note any important terms you want customers to know, and set the tone with your brand voice. A concise, reassuring description helps build trust. Upload a strong piece of media to represent the gift card. A clean, on-brand image, ideally a simple graphic with your logo or a seasonal design, goes a long way in catching the customer's eye. Use a high-resolution square image for a polished look across devices. Set your denominations, which function as product variants. These are the preset values customers can choose at checkout, like 25, 50, or 100. Pick amounts that fit your average order value and make it easy for shoppers to decide. You can add or adjust denominations later, so start with your most popular price points. Before you wrap up, take a moment to refine the search engine listing preview. Edit the page title and meta description so your gift card looks appealing in search results. Keep the language simple and include your brand name and the phrase gift card to help customers find it. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Your gift card product is now available for customers to buy in your store. That's it. You've created a professional gift card offering that's easy to manage and ready to boost sales, especially around holidays and special occasions.